Good morning, India. Hi, this is Anchal Puri on Spotify with Taza Talks. Today we are welcoming our esteemed guest. नाम बताने से पहले उनके बारे में मैं ये बताना चाहूंगी कि अपने एक्सपर्टीज से वो लोगों के रास्तों को सही करती हैं। अपने एक्सपर्टीज से लोगों को एक ऐसी कोचिंग सिखाती हैं जिससे वो सही राह पर एक स्ट्रैटेजिक तरीके से चल सके। उनका नाम है कैरोलिन पिंटो। हमारे ताजा टॉक्स के स्टूडियो में आ चुकी हैं और बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ मैं आपका कैरोलिन जी।
ग्रेट इंट्रोडक्शन। अच्छा लगा मेरे बारे में, खुद के बारे में ऐसे अच्छे शब्द सुन के। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू हैविंग यू हियर।
मोस्ट
थैंक यू
वेलकम।
थैंक यू। सो कैरोलिन जी, सबसे पहले एक अपना छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन हमारे व्यूअर्स को दीजिए।
So well, Anchal, I started my journey back then 20 years back. मैंने अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया है सेंट जेवियर्स कॉलेज से। I completed my graduation in sociology, and further then I went to complete my post graduation PGDBA in HR from Wellinkers, and after that I worked for a shipping company for almost 10 years. In fact, different shipping companies like Anglo Eastern, Bernard Schilte, Silendia, and later on in one of the companies I felt my heart was not in sync with the job, and that's when I realized कि training तो काफी सालों से करनी थी, and that's when I took the approval of my spouse and I said, now that I want to quit the job, let me take the plunge into training. तो तभी मैंने सर्टिफिकेशन कर लिया था. I got myself certified as a trainer from the Dale Carnegie Group, and that's where my journey started into training. So after that, I was freelancing with the Dale Carnegie Group. They have a branch here in India. So I was traveling across India to different cities like Bangalore, Delhi, and also a lot of trainings in Mumbai. And then I wanted a lot of exposure into the key space of learning and development. So I wanted to understand everything from the training need analysis to the training effectiveness. So that's when I took a leap into a full-time job called as Global Infosys. That was a UK based KPO. तो वहाँ पे मेरा पूरा एक्सपोजर तो जो था, राइट फ्रॉम गेटिंग द ट्रेनिंग नीड डन टू द ट्रेनिंग एनालिसिस टू कोचिंग पीपल ऑन अ 1-to-1, राइट फ्रॉम सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर, ग्रामर, फ्लुएंसी, वो सब मैंने वहाँ पे किया, राइट फ्रॉम लीडरशिप ट्रेनिंग, बिहेवियरल ट्रेनिंग्स, कोचिंग, सब कुछ वहाँ पे कर लिया. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई थॉट कि यहाँ पे तो जितना सीखना था, लाइक इन हिंदी में बोलते ना, जितना उखाड़ना था उखाड़ लिया था. So I always have that thirst, for learning something new, and that's when I ventured into another opportunity with Upgrad. So I worked with Upgrad for almost 3 years, and I served as a full-time trainer over there. And my client was Adani Airport. So my last full-time job was Adani Airport. So I was working there as a learning manager, and I used to take care of all customer service trainings over there. So customer service trainings, soft skill, leadership, behavioral, communication. So right from the grey collar workers, जो हम बोलते हैं ना, trolley handlers, security, housekeeping staff, to an assistant manager, to leadership level. So I got an exposure of the overall airport scenario, right from the raw to the very niche. And that was a good exposure that I actually had with Adani Airport. So it was a great learning.
Okay.
And now currently, I'm working as a freelancer. I'm working in a startup as a business development co-facilitator, and also doing a lot of trainings for campus to corporate programs like Capgemini. And I'm also empaneled with some other training companies on a freelancing basis. और उसके अलावा I also do coaching on a 1-to-1. I've started my own community of people where I conduct morning and evening energizers. और बहुत मजा आ रहा है. It's very fulfilling to have the freedom of your own.
Okay, perfect. So कैरोलिन जी, अगर आपकी लर्निंग और डेवलपमेंट जर्नी के शुरुआत की बात करें तो ये सब आपको कैसे इंस्पायर किया कि क्यों करना है, कोचिंग में क्यों आना है?
जब मैं बचपन में थी, हमेशा मुझे एक चीज I used to value, and that is a one-to-one connect. मुझे बात करना बहुत पसंद है, वो तो शायद अभी तक आपने जान ही लिया होगा. And I love building a connect on a deeper level. And that is something that I always longed as a child, as a professional, and also as a college student. So when I developed my interest in coaching, that was back then in COVID, जब बहुत सारे webinars होते थे, बहुत कुछ online होता था, that's when I got myself certified as a trainer. So the love for coaching has always been there, but now it's more live. Now it's more experiential. Now it's more transformation. So that's how my love has always been. But I think the nurturing, the transformation, the impact has started actually after doing so many training sessions, is what I feel.
Okay. ओके, तो लीडरशिप और सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनिंग तो आप कैसे डिफाइन करती हैं? इस चीज को आप कैसे डिफाइन करती है? व्हाट इज द रियल एसेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू योर जॉब?
Well, leadership for me, Anchal, is leadership first for yourself. A leader can't lead if he himself is not led. It's more of how aligned you are from within, how true you are to your own self. And I think leadership is more about being with the team. It's more about building that connect, understanding what your team actually needs. And for that, I think we need to understand ourselves on a deeper level. And a lot of teams, a lot of people in our teams look for leaders, and afterwards they follow the leader because they see some leadership qualities in them. So leadership for me is not dictatorship or not authority. Leadership is like one step deeper in understanding that how can I work together with him, how can I put him in the forefront and remain behind but still function together. So leadership for me is more personal rather than authoritative dictatorship, which I think that's the entire reason why company and teams collapse, because the mere essence of leadership is somewhere lost.
ओके, सो मैम, आज की फास्ट पेस कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में सबसे कॉमन स्ट्रगल क्या देखने को मिलता है अमंग प्रोफेशनल्स?
I think after working 20 years in a corporate life, Anchal, I feel one thing that I always looked for is something that I truly enjoy. कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि हमारी दिल की आवाज तो बोलती है that Caroline, you're meant for more, you're meant to do more, you're meant to impact more lives. और जब वो stagnation जब आता है ना कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में, जहाँ पे हम काम तो कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं काम? पैसे के लिए कर रहे हैं, पर satisfaction zero है. So you just fall in that rut, and somewhere because of your responsibilities, you're just stuck in the job because you have to do it and you don't enjoy doing it. And I think another factor which professionals suffer is time. A lot of run, especially in Mumbai, wherein we are running pillar to post, chasing, and sometimes we are chasing our kids to school, sometimes we are chasing the travel, sometimes we are chasing to reach on time, and sometimes we are chasing just to deliver the session on time. So the entire race is so much about running, and sometimes you don't know why you're running, पर आप बस भाग रहे हैं. So I think the entire essence of stagnation, and no one is really willing to listen to the employee. It's all that बस थोप देते हैं, आपको काम करना है. If you can't find the happiness, then you have to figure out what can give you the happiness. It's not that the companies work like a team and see that this girl has a lot of potential, she wants to do something, how can we leverage that potential of hers? And I think that's where companies falter. Like honestly, to lose a good resource today, in today's day and age, could be a loss for the company, right? So because a person who has to create work would do it any which ways, और शायद सैलरी में थोड़ा बहुत तो डिफरेंस होगा. It will be relatively less when you do it for yourself, but eventually we will figure out the way. And that is what I have realized. अगर आपको खुद का करना ही है, it's just about setting the intention right, and then opportunities do come. So I hope that answers your question.
Yeah, absolutely, because if you are not up to the mark, उनके हिसाब से उनको एक रोबोट चाहिए, नहीं है तो यू विल फायर्ड
Yeah,
डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज उसमें आपके इमोशंस आपकी फीलिंग्स कहीं मैटर नहीं करती। कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड तो
no.
यही है, राइट।
Yes. And also sometimes I think we are doing a job which is so much below our potential. Sometimes there were times in my other companies I work for, I felt this could be done by an intern. Why do you need a learning manager to do this kind of a job? And sometimes you actually wonder that what am I doing? Is it really adding value to my life? And if my time here is precious, what am I doing? So money is one aspect which will come and go, but what about the potential that I have? And I remember reading that book, Die Empty, and the author says it very beautifully. He says that finally your gift to the world is how much of your skills and potential do you actually utilize, so that at the end of your life you can say you died empty, you have given yourself out completely. And I think that's what I resonate with. How much are you willing to give yourself into the game to actually leave a legacy and impact? So that's what I firmly believe in, and I think the rest follows.
राइट। सो मैम, कैरोलिन जी, जब आप एक मुझे एक बात बताइए, जब आप ट्रेनिंग देती हैं, जब आप किसी को ट्रेन करती हैं, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल कौन सी लगती है जो आपको लगता है कि हर प्रोफेशनल को आनी चाहिए? व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज?
I think the most important skill, until we are doing is right now the empathy and connection. Right? If we don't show the empathy, do you think the person will actually work with you? And I think if we can just be present right now, if we can just be present with the person right now, if I am having a meeting, can I give my 100% to the person I'm sitting before? Or
नो।
have I we just multitasking with the phone, or are we just multitasking with 10 different things around us, right? And this is a skill not only as an employee but also as a mother, as a wife, or in any other role that you conduct. How much are you present with that person? And I think that empathy, and if we can, nurture that listening skills and empathy along with communication on a very junior level, at a very small level, and I think that's where the game changer of any relationship or organization is, like, because a lot of people in companies are looking to be just heard, just accepted. And how much are we truly present with a person? So many times we are like just chasing time for our managers to just give us 5 minutes of our time, and we can't blame them because the pressure is also like that in an organization. So I think one skill that we can just be mindful about is be completely present, be empathetic to that person. I think we had a very deep conversation last week with you, and I think the reason we also connected is because somewhere the empathy, it just naturally came. And I think this is a skill that can be nurtured, but I think it's very inbuilt. A person who has never been empathetic can't be empathetic overnight,
राइट।
right? It's a journey and it's a process. I think that's the way we've been brought up as a child, or as an individual, or as an adult, that we feel for people. And that's where leadership comes. If I was to coach people, how much am I able to connect with that person on a one to one? And that's the difference we can bring about.
टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैं आपको एक बात कहना चाहूंगी पर्सनल लेवल पे। uh, जितना सोचा था ना, उससे कहीं ज्यादा पाया है आपको मैंने। जी,
Thank
बिल्कुल।
you.
बिकॉज इतनी नॉलेजेबल बातें अब तक का मेरे हिसाब से, आई कैन से दिस इज द बेस्टेस्ट पॉडकास्ट, वन ऑफ
Oh,
माइन। मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपकी बातें सुन के, और आपका जो माइंडसेट है उसको सुन के, कि यू कैन बी अ परफेक्ट। अगर ये मिले तो बेस्टेस्ट कोच का अवार्ड आपको मिलना चाहिए।
wow. I'm looking forward for that, Anshul. And I'm
एब्सोल्युटली।
actually looking to serve more lives, because I know the journey I went through when I just wanted a person who could connect with me. And I think if I can be that soul who can reach out to people when he or she is depressed and just be there. So it's not about coaching, but it's just about listening sometimes. more than coaching, right? And that's what would do wonders for the person.
I
So
remember
I think
that
that's what.
day when we spoke first time, and you were so much concerned about me, not for the podcast. कि you just take care of yourself first, then we'll do it afterwards. तो ये मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा था because normally ऐसे नहीं होता है. लोगों को
Hmm.
लगता है कि हमने पे कर दिया तो आप ठीक हो नहीं हो, दैट डज नॉट मेक एनी डिफरेंस, बट आप हमारा पॉडकास्ट कीजिए. बट यू वर सो मच
Correct.
कंसर्न अबाउट मी कि आप पहले अपना ख्याल रखो, उसके बाद हम पॉडकास्ट करेंगे.
सही बात है,
सो इट वाज
obviously.
रियली, मुझे बहुत इतना अच्छा लगा था उस दिन कि नहीं, ह्यूमैनिटी इज स्टिल देयर.
Yeah, absolutely.
या
And I think we need to show more of that, Anchal, because I think today's day and age, people are losing that, yeah. So if we can be that one
एब्सोल्युटली, तभी तो
person,
मुझे लगा ना, बिकॉज पीपल आर लूजिंग है ही नहीं ना. आपको बहुत रेयरली मिलेगा, वो भी अगर आपका लक अच्छा है. तो आई एम ब्लेस्ड कि मेरी लाइफ में आप हो. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा उस दिन कि आपको
हाँ,
मेरे लिए बहुत कंसर्न था.
truly, था, I was concerned.
यस यस. तो मैम, लाइफ कोचिंग एंड L&D ट्रेनिंग में क्या डिफरेंस और सिमिलैरिटीज होती हैं?
So life coaching is when a person opens up all his or her cards before you. That means it's confidential. It's something that a person is trusting you with. And when that person trusts you, it's like, he is being vulnerable with you. It's a one to one. So I feel group coaching is something that is very, it can't be so impactful like the way one to one coaching is, because it's confidential. The coachee trusts the coach, and also there is some kind of authenticity that the coachee can actually reveal with the coach. But a training session is when one trainer caters to like 30, 40, or 60 people in the room. So that time, though the training has to be effective, the impact is on a lot of people. Like if I am training a batch of 60, there is a very high probability that उसमें से 10 तो switch off ही किया होगा, 5 तो बहुत अटेंटिव होंगे, और
राइट.
35 में से बोले यार ठीक है, कभी कभी टाइम निकल जा रहा है, एंड when will it actually be 5 o'clock, right? So we have different learners in the room, some who are very serious, some of them who are just a tick in the box, यार कंपनी ने बोला तो कर लेते हैं, and some of them who feel that यार she is giving something for us free of cost, let's just do फुल वसूल. जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, इंडियंस हम पूरा निचोड़ देते हैं, कुछ फ्री में होता है. तो
राइट.
मैं जो हमारे ट्रेनिंग्स में हमेशा मैं बोलती हूँ, यार ये आपको ट्रेनिंग फ्री में मिला है, उसका बराबर वसूली करो. जस्ट मेक श्योर इट्स अ फुल वसूल का ट्रेनिंग फॉर यू, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे it's a free knowledge. So if you're getting anything free, might as well be quick in implementing what you get. So that's the vast difference I feel in coaching and training.
ओके ओके. सो मैम, आप अपनी जर्नी में सबसे चैलेंजिंग मोमेंट कौन सा फेस किया और क्या सीखा आपने उससे?
Oh, that was a very, very heart touching moment. I don't know if I can reveal this here or no, but if my story can rather be a game changer for a lot of lives. So it was 10 years in my shipping company that I served, and I was actually asked to leave my job in my shipping company, and I had a baby of 1 year old. So my child was, I think, barely 6 or 7 months old, if I'm not wrong. So I was asked to leave the job. I had relationship issues with my spouse, with my in-laws. Motherhood was not so great because I was not able to give full time to my kid. I was working sleepless nights, as you know, the feeding the little one, and I was all over the place. So I think the biggest challenging moment was being a failure in my personal life, uh, being asked to lose my job, and also having my dad on bed. So I'm the only daughter in India, and both my brothers are abroad. So one is in Dubai and one is in Australia, and so a lot of things were happening on a personal level. And that's when I decided, I told my spouse that, I want to get myself certified as a trainer. अभी काम से निकाल ही तो दिया है, तो let me just go ahead and start afresh and make a career which I really want to. So
राइट.
that's when I got myself certified as a coach, took a little bit of, broke my investments, had some udhar from my husband, and that's when I got myself certified as a trainer. But it's been a very fulfilling one. And I think today the relationships that were falling apart, I think everything is by my side today, right? From my husband to my kids to my in-laws to my mother. I don't see, even if there is a leakage, it's always fitted together very well. There is no crack as such which will completely collapse the system. So I think in this entire journey, I have learned one thing, that always listen to the voice of your heart.
Exactly.
So you can never go wrong there. When no one trusted me to make a career into training, there were so many obstacles, especially my dad being on bed, not doing great in my personal life, hiring a maid to look after my kid full time was a challenge, was a
Really.
courageous decision. But
आप खुद
then
भी
I
बहुत
just knew,
courageous है मैम. You are
हाँ,
such a wonderful woman. मतलब क्या बोलूं कि complete package of woman हो आप. According to me, ये मैं
wow,
आपको अपने honestly अपने दिल से बोल रही हूँ. मैंने बोला ना कि मेरे लिए ये बहुत बेस्टेस्ट पॉडकास्ट रहेगा. इतना सुन रही हूँ मैं आपको ध्यान से कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, और ट्रस्ट मी, मैं आपसे कुछ आज सीख के ही जा रही हूँ.
wow. Thank you so much,
फुल
Ankur.
कंप्लीट पैकेज ऑफ, जिसको कहते हैं ना कि एक संपूर्ण औरत आप हैं वो.
Wow.
सीरियसली.
रुला मत देना ये
नहीं,
पॉडकास्ट में
रुलाने
मुझे.
की जरूरत नहीं है मुझे, बल्कि आप तो बहुत लोगों को हंसा सकती हैं, और हंसाया भी होगा. आई एम श्योर.
True, true, true.
आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू हैविंग यू हियर.
Thank you so
सीरियसली.
much.
सो सॉफ्ट स्किल्स को सॉफ्ट स्किल्स को अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हैं लोग, राइट? आपका अकॉर्डिंग आप व्हाई दे आर क्रिटिकल फॉर सक्सेस?
So, soft skill is nothing but how you put across your words. You can say a get lost with love, or you can say a get lost, which means like one of the most penetrating words to that person.
राइट.
But also, how do you actually say something which will be diplomatic and at the same thing not hurt the person and also get the work done? So it's not necessary that we always need to be rude. Sometimes we can be assertive and mean business, and that applies not only in our professional life but in our personal lives too. And especially as ladies, when we need to, when we are juggling so many things, and sometimes we feel ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. And that time, we have to set our boundaries, right? Because if we don't set our boundaries, I think तो फिर हमें जो चाहिए लाइफ में मिलेगा ही नहीं. So I feel that soft skill is putting across your message with love, so that the person doesn't get hurt, but in fact does the work with a lot of love. कि यार मैडम ने पूछा तो इसको कर ही लेते हैं. And I think in my previous organization, a lot of people were happy to work with me because यार मतलब that authority and that dominance was not there. In fact, they used to look forward for my sessions कि यार कुछ नया सीखने मिलेगा. It's a fun based session, and it's also a break from work, and also it's just good to be in that person's energy. So I think that also reflects a lot about your own personality. And I think the more we apply this skill, the soft skill and the behavioral trainings that we do in real life, I think our relationships can go on a next level, complete next level.
राइट.
So we would be actually leaving a legacy. We would be having great connection. Like today, I didn't know once I leave my job, so many people will connect with me. But I think God has really been kind. There has been a time wherein I am actually looking to have space in my calendar कि कहाँ मैं किसको fit करूँ. There is so much of work coming in. So I think the eventual output is your connections are built and relationships are nurtured and maintained.
राइट. आपके वर्कशॉप्स का या आपके ट्रेनिंग सेशन का कोई ऐसा मेमोरेबल मोमेंट जो आपको बहुत याद रहता हो, कभी भूल ही नहीं पाती हो, आप शेयर करना चाहेंगी?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल. So I remember a day wherein it was my birthday the next day, 7th October, and I had to train a batch of customer service people, the CSC PSCs. And when I had trained them, in the break time, I just happened to mention to them that it's my birthday the next day, so please ensure that you do whatever is told to do in terms of the assignments. और मुझे नहीं पता था that the people would be so excited. And after lunch break they brought a beautiful crown which said happy birthday. I still have it with me. I wish I could carry it today, but it was a nice crown of happy birthday. They bought two nice cakes, they sang for me, they cut the cake for me, and I think that was one moment which still stays with me today. So also, again, not to mention that though I may be away from them, but the connect that I have built with each one of them on a personal level is something that really stays with me today. And also they connect with me on a one-to-one on WhatsApp to check, ma'am, how are you, this is the thing that is happening with us, can you help? So you know that you maybe not be been physically with them right now, but somewhere you have created the impact with them,
So
right?
basically, you are
So
Libran.
I'm a Libran. Yeah, true, I'm a
हाँ,
Libran.
Librans तो वो तो they are always a beautiful people. मेरे dad 8th October.
Is it? Oh,
या
wow.
इसलिए मुझे पता चलता लिब्रन लियोज सैगिटेरियस एंड दिस जेमिनाइज मेरा बहुत बहुत बनती है मेरी
Is it?
सो
Okay.
आज के यूथ के लिए कोई आपका एक स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज सो हाउ शुड दे प्रिपेयर देमसेल्फ फॉर द फ्यूचर वर्क प्लेस
I think I think Steve Jobs, he says in one of his videos very beautifully, stay hungry and stay foolish. I think वो जो पेट में आग होनी चाहिए ना, वो zeal, वो hunger, to learn more, to do more. I think that is what creates great people in this entire journey of life. Like, not only in terms of the designation, but also be hungry in terms of learning anything. It could be learning from a maid, it could be learning from your child, it could be just being in a conversation completely present and learning. So at the end of the day, I think being a lifelong learner, open to learning, rather than having that ego ka attitude that what am I supposed to learn from him, ये क्या ही मुझे सिखाएगा. So I think that is the attitude which we need to change. Like, a lot of people in authority, they kind of look down on the juniors and they say, "Yaar, kya hai tum?" It doesn't work like that. So I think two things, if I would tell the people who are starting their career, is be humble, listen to the voice of your heart, and just stay hungry to learn. I mean, just go all out and give it your best. And I think eventually God is always with you in the journey. So it's just a matter of time कि आपको रास्ता दिखाई देगा, बट कभी कभी स्लो है, कभी कभी किसी को बहुत फास्ट होता है. एंड समटाइम्स आई थिंक इट्स नॉट अबाउट द डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ द मनी, बट हाउ हैप्पी यू आर विद योर ओन सेल्फ. आप जब अकेले में हो, आपको कैसे अपने आप के बारे में फील होता है? Are you actually at peace, or do you need the mobile constantly to satisfy your hunger of reels and to give you that kick in your brain, तो वो जो रिलीज होते हैं ना हॉर्मोन्स, कैन यू बी लाइक अपने आप में ही मस्त रह सकते हो क्या आप, और डू यू ऑलवेज आर रेस्टलेस? So I think that is a journey on its own. If we spend more time understanding ourselves, I think learning is just on the way.
राइट सो एक छोटा सा रैपिड फायर राउंड करेंगे हम आपके साथ अब
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल.
राइट वन वर्ड दैट डिफाइंस यू
Charismatic is what I feel.
Okay.
Charisma.
Your favorite soft skill to teach?
Empathy and listening skills.
Leadership is complete the sentence.
Leadership is inside out. What you are from in.
Morning person or night owl?
Morning. I can get up at 4 a.m. also and work.
Oh, okay. One habit that changed your life?
Learning, reading,
Okay.
courses.
Tea or coffee?
Masala wala adrak chai.
Your biggest strength?
My biggest strength, I think, my empathy and connect with a person is my biggest strength that I can have. Approachable.
One myth about life coaching you want to break?
Life coaching is not about giving sessions. Life coaching is not about me giving gyan and the other person taking it. Life coaching is about asking powerful questions and giving that space to the client, wherein we are with the client and seeing where we can help them navigate that journey. That's what is life coaching. And now, thanks to Insta and Facebook, we are so much into, the different world of coaching that people give coaching a different angle completely. So coaching is not about me, giving tips. It's about helping you. अगर आप ये situation पे है, how can I help you navigate to the next level of your life?
Right.
So this is one thing I think we need to crack, because nowadays people are getting coaches, but that is on a personal level. So it could be maybe one-to-one training and mentoring. So when a person mentors you, it's more of mentoring, because I'm giving you advice, I'm giving you the guidance. But in coaching, it is only asking questions and letting the other person get solution on his own.
Right.
That's
Right.
what is coaching.
You go to motivation quote.
You're becoming the woman you're meant to be.
If not a coach, what would you be?
I think something what you are doing right now,
A
holding
podcaster.
podcasts, or being a radio jockey, is something that I really wanted to explore. So I think that
Oh,
could be,
बहुत अच्छा बोलती हैं, बहुत अच्छा. You can join me anytime.
yeah, absolutely.
Sure. So, how can people approach you directly for your services? तो आपके इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल या लिंक्डइन हैंडल को आप यहाँ पे शेयर कर दीजिए. वैसे लिंक के नीचे हम लोग शेयर कर देंगे.
ठीक है. Yes, you can go ahead and do that.
Sure. So, viewers, it was incredible conversation with Ma'am Carolyn Pinto, and she is really a incredible woman. और बहुत 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 अच्छा एक कॉन्वर्सेशन था. एपिसोड रिलीज होते ही लिंक शेयर कर दिया जाएगा, और लिंक के नीचे मैम के लिंक्स आपको मिलेंगे, सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट विद हर. सो थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. स्टे ट्यून्ड. थैंक यू सो मच मैम.